Hi Gemini, this is your next 10 days reading starting from today, that is 7th of May to the 16th of May. I am going to look at this time period. The cards have already fallen out for you. I have taken those which fell out for you while I was divinating. I have clarified and I have got a general picture of your life, what is going to happen in your love life, career, or in your relationship sector. I am going to look at that and I'll be talking about all these energies. So before I start talking about the tarot spread in front of me, I'll read out a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got a message for you. I always do this so that one single message can help you in your next 10 days. So take note of it. It is saying it is safe for you to receive. The more you allow yourself to receive, the more resources you have available to share with others. Open your arms to receive and be a conduit for good coming to you and through you as it blesses the world. So, something good, when it comes to you, you should receive it because it is going to help you to help others. So it is very important to receive things which are given to you or are offered to you. So I see offerings coming in. So before that, I'll tell you what was happening in your recent past and what you are going through currently and what will come to you. So the first energy which I see is the Ten of Wands, meaning you are under a lot of burden. You are carrying lot of a burden, emotional burden or physical work. Lot of it is on your plate. You are overwhelmed also. Some of you are overwhelmed with this long term weight which is on your shoulders. You have been carrying it for a long time, but now you will feel free from this burden. Something is ending now. Something is ending in your life. Something has ended, so you will be able to be free of responsibility. That is what I am seeing. You had a major loss. You had a loss in your life, but right now you are cutting your losses. You are getting out of that energy. I am seeing you, still finding it painful. The loss was painful, but the energies are such that it will take you out of this responsibility, the weighing energy, the burdensome energy, the energy of loss. So you will be able to come out of it and you'll feel much more freer. That is what I see in the next 10 days. I see that some of you are still in this situation of uh, emotional unrest. Some of you are feeling very sad. Some of you are feeling apathy. Some of you are feeling nervous. Some of you are feeling boredom. Some of you are not even opening your eyes to see what is being offered to you. So that's why angels are telling you it is safe for you to receive. Don't be afraid because of a certain setback. Don't be afraid of losses. Then you won't be able to get a new chance. So this is the time to get out of this Four of Cups energy. You are only seeing those three cups which are in front of you, which were they couldn't help you in replenishing your emotions, but something else is coming which is behind you. So you have to be alert. So Geminis, you have to be alert. Get out of that stupor which you are in, the passivity which you are in. So if you remain passive for a longer time, for a stagnant for a long time, what will happen is this offered cup will not come to you. So be careful. I am seeing some of you getting back to normalcy. I am seeing that you are getting back to this King of Swords avatar. You are going to take up this energy of the King of Swords. You are going to become this air king who is logical, who is practical, who comes back to life and wants to consolidate and make himself or herself the the leader who is logical. So get out of this emotional apathy and get into this King of Swords mode. That is what angels are telling you. Become logical, become practical. That is what is required right now. So some of you will become the King of Swords and you will take some action like the Knight of Swords. So the King of Swords will do some action, something to rescue yourself from that this setback situation situation. I see the Ace of Swords coming into you. I see that your path becomes clearer. It's more clear. It is the clarity is coming to you. The self realization is coming to you. So some fast action will be taken, which will be pleasant for you. That is what I am seeing. This action can be from another air sign, or this action can be your action, which will be fast and swift, because you can realize now what was wrong in your life, what had happened, and how you have to behave. You will have that epiphany, you will have that realization that I need to do something, I need to cut out something, I need to go on a path. So all these decisions will be made regarding your life. I see because of this you will be finding yourself in Two of Cups situation. You will be finding yourself in a beginning, you will be starting over again. Some of you are getting a new love situation, some of you are getting a new job situation. Some association will be coming to you, will be happening for you, which will be taking you towards a new beginning. A fresh new beginning is on the cards. If it is to do with a job, what I am seeing is Eight of Pentacles is happening. Again, you will start in a routine manner, you will start to work methodically, and you will put something, give something a structure, work on your career. You will be working on your love life, you will be working on your studies. So there can be hard work involved. I am seeing some new beginning, some new mentorship, some new education, uh, something which is coming to you, which will make you apprentice like beginning. That is what I am seeing. So you will be starting something which will give you uh, an emotional stability, also economic stability. That is what I am seeing. So new beginning in this path is going to happen for you. Take it as it resonates. I am seeing that some of you will feel stable in this period. In the next 10 days you will start feeling stable. Some of you will feel because this Knight of Pentacles is coming, or it is a support from someone of the earth sign. You will feel secure, you will feel safe, you will see that the money is coming in, you will have a kind of someone who is dependable. Some of you will feel this Nine of Cups. This is wish fulfillment in your life. So in a love situation you could be in love with an earth sign who is a who is doesn't show his or her emotions overwhelmingly, but he or she is always with you, loyal to you, working for you. So that is what I see. So this could be a person, this could be a person who is around you, who is rescuing you of a situation, and could be a stable person. So you are getting your Nine of Cups, that is for sure. Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment in your love situation. I am seeing that the angels are telling you that you should have faith and optimism in this love situation. You should have faith and optimism in this Knight of Pentacles, who will bring in money to you. Some of you are in this mode and you are earning slowly, but you will be realizing some substantial amount of money. So the wish fulfillment can be in a job situation, wish fulfillment can be in your love situation. There will be a self liberation, there will be a liberation, individual liberation, which I am seeing. So have faith and optimism. I am seeing that you guys are healing from a certain problem, healing, or achieving something which is the beginning of a thing, beginning, mission accomplished of something at the first stage. That is what I am seeing. You will be enjoying with colleagues or friends. I am seeing that you will feel healed and you will feel stable. That is what I am seeing. Angels are saying that your outcome energy is good. It is the Ace of Wands, some new beginning in passion. I am seeing the Empress card, I am seeing the Strength card. Some of you are going to conceive, some of you are going to become pregnant. That is what I see. So angels are asking you to have strength. Some of you are going to start a new venture. Some of you are going to you know be around your mother. I see some of you being a mother, or some of you are seeing your mothers recover. That is what I see. If they were not well, So this is the kind of good outcome which I am seeing. It is a natural growth outcome. That is what I am seeing. So angels are asking you to have courage and patience. That is what angels are saying, because the Ace of Wands is coming to you. That is what angels are saying. The Ace of Wands means a new opportunity, a new growth situation is coming to you. So angels are advising what is coming in near future. So the near future card is showing the Emperor and the Wheel of Fortune. This means that some of you had inevitability of fate. Some of you had a situation wherein a boss changed, or a father was you lost a father. Some of you are seeing a situation of authority change. So in your life, a is father's decision, or father himself is changing his position. So see, it is change of a fatherhood situation. That is what I see. But this can mean is a boss change, or you were a boss and you were changing, your position has shifted, or the father figure in your life is not there anymore, or something like this will happen or has happened to you. So you will go through this period wherein you will feel that there is a situation wherein there is a transition of the father figure. That is what I see. But angels are telling you that you will be able to get back to normalcy. A new beginning in your life will happen because of this change situation in your life. So that's it from my side. If you have resonated with this energy, please like and subscribe. If you have liked this reading, please send in a feedback or a comment. And if you want a specific tarot reading which can throw more light on your personal situation, you can ask for a consultation face to face, and leave in a request in the comment box. These are paid readings which I give to people. So I will be able to tell you what your future holds, near future holds. So if you want a tarot reading from me, you can leave in a request in the comment box. So that's it from my side. Bye bye.